Hello student, today our topic is tabular presentation of data, class 11th. A table facilitates representation of even large amounts of data in an attractive, easy to read and organized manner. The data is organized in rows and columns. This is one of the most widely used forms of presentation of data. Components of table. There are many components of table, for example table number, title, head notes, stubs and caption, etc. First of all, we discuss table number. Each table should have a specific table number for ease of access and locating. This number can be readily mentioned anywhere, which serves as a reference and leads us directly to the data mentioned in that particular table. Second components is the title. A table must contain a title that clearly tells the readers about the data. It contains time period of study, place of study, and the nature of classification of data. Third components is the head notes. A head note further helps in the purpose of a title and displays more information about the table. Generally, head notes present the units of data in brackets at the end of the table. Stubs. These are the title of the row in a table. Thus, a stub display information about the data contained in a particular row. Caption. A caption is the title of a column in the data table. In fact, it is a counterpart if a stub and indicate the information contained in a column. Sixth components is the body of a table. The body of a table is the content of a table in its entirety. Each item in a body is known as cell. Footnote is another component of table. Footnotes are rarely used. In effect, they supplement the title of a table if required. Source is another components of data. When components of table, when using data obtained from a secondary source, this source has to be mentioned below the footnote. For example, serial number of table 1, contribution of primary, secondary and tertiary sector to India's GDP in percentage. Units 5. Sector 2009-10 and 2010-11 is the heading of a column. These are the heading of a column. Primary sector, tertiary sector, secondary sector and tertiary sector are the stub of a row. And this is the total of the total of all the cells in 2009-10 and this is the total of all the cells in 2010-11. This is the source of a data. India 2013 EPW Research Foundation. I hope The presentation of tabular presentation of data is clear. Thanks all of you.